Hello guys, welcome to the second part of case study 2. So first of all, we will create the YAML file and we will access the data from YAML file using YAML reader module. So we will create these two units. So I will create a new project. So here, let's say new project, case study 2, PyDAP project, next. And here I will write case study 2 and here I will finish it, and just I will create a YAML file and one YAML reader module. So you have to create a blank file and the extension of this file should be YAML. So test.yaml, this is the file where we will save all the XPath, all the selectors, whatever you are selecting. And the next one is one module we will create. So we will read the data from YAML. So let's say YAML reader, this is the module. So first of all, we will see how YAML will work or what is the need to work with YAML. So you have to install one package that is called YAML package. This is the official website of YAML package. So you are seeing here requirement setup.py install. You can install in this way as well. So here there is a zip package. I will download this zip package. Installer also you can download. This is the installer exe file for 2.7 because I'm using 2.7. So if I will click here, so this exe file, if I will download, no need to install using pip as well. You can install even with setup.py. So here I downloaded YAML installer and I will click here. I will install it, run it, next, finish. So now if I will open command prompt for verification purpose, Python import YAML. Yes, working fine, great. So now we can work with YAML. Here we can save the data in key value pair. So how we can create the key value pair? So it's very easy. First of all, we can create the XPath. So I can save this XPath directly to the key and we can read this XPath using key. So if I will copy this XPath from Paytm and here this is the test.yaml. So I can say sign in underscore XPath. So this is here I can say XPath and using colon. So this is key and the value of this key is this one. So now how you can read this data from YAML file? In real scenario, in real industry also we are using YAML as config files and we are setting all the values using YAML files only. So here YAML reader will create a class. You can directly create a function loader. It will load the YAML module and here you can open directly with open, and here I will pass the name, let's say test.yaml, and here I will open as this is my file descriptor f and data equals YAML. So you have to import YAML first, no need to use from, you can directly import it. So from YAML.load, so it will load the data and here we need to pass our descriptor. I can return data, that's it. For a checking purpose I can use in this way if _name _equals _main, and here I will use _ and I will call loader and I will print it because it's returned some data. I will print loader and here I will run it. So Python run. You can see in dictionary form there is a key and this is a value. I'm able to extract it. So now I will use this function in my test and let's see how we can work with it. So this is called keyword driven approach. So in next part we will see how we can create the test case for Paytm login using keyword driven approach. Thanks for watching.